Hi guys, welcome back to the Native channel. In this next video, I'll be showing you how you can clear app cache on your Windows 11. And now to clear your application cache on Windows, the first thing is to come to the taskbar, and right on the taskbar, go ahead and click on the start menu, and then click on the settings icon to go to settings, and then click on system here, and then click on find storage right here. Alright, so we just allow a little bit of time for Windows to scan our file. So from the drop down, go ahead and click on temporary files, and then click on this option that says remove file. Now some temporary files are needed by apps. Below is a list of files that you can remove now. So if you want to clear cache for applications on your Windows, just go ahead and click on remove files, and then click on continue. So that way you have successfully clear cache for all of the applications installed on your Windows PC. So the process of clearing cache on Windows is as simple as that. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.